boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. I know that you did some hard work reading in our last lesson. You went really slow and you really thought about what you were learning about, and you paused and you took time to think about what else you were learning, how it fit together, and if something surprised you or if it was new learning. Boys and girls, that hard work is going to pay off, because now we're going to work on another strategy for remembering what we read. We're going to work on retelling the story to our friends. Now, when you retell, what we're going to do is we're going to retell across our fingers, and we're going to pick like 5 important things to tell our friends about the story. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look back at my turtle book, and I might have to reread parts of my book, and I'm going to think if that's an important thing that I need to tell my partner. And I'm going to put that on a finger and try and remember all 5. We'll see if we can do it. Ready? So I remember this was talking about how there's all kinds of different turtles, and the turtles can hide in their shells, but they're slow. But the sea turtle can't hide, but it's fast. So I'm going to say some turtles can hide in their shell and they're slow, but sea turtles can't, but they're fast. Oh, but this was talking about how turtles are alike sea turtles, other turtles. They have to go up to breathe air at the top, and what they eat, right? They eat plants, and they don't have teeth, right? So seaweed, fish, crabs, and jellyfish. So there's 2 more things I can tell my friend. I can tell that all turtles breathe air, and I can say that turtles don't have teeth, but they eat fish and plants. Oh, remember this, boys and girls? This was talking about how big and small sea turtles are, and I can't remember, so I'm going to go back and reread. There's 8 different kinds of sea turtles. They can grow up to be 100 pounds, and the biggest ones are 1,000 pounds. So my 4th fact is turtles can be really big or really small. I don't have to remember those exact numbers, but if you do, that's really cool. This was about how some sea turtles can hide, or regular turtles can hide, but sea turtles can't. I might not choose that for my 5th fact. I might talk about sea turtles laying eggs. And so I'm going to pick something. Maybe I'm going to pick that the mother turtle goes up and lays 100 eggs in the sand. I think that's what my 5th fact is going to be. Let's see if I can repeat all those. Do you think I can remember them? I might have to look back in the book to help me out. And if you need to look back for your retell, you can, right? So first of all, I'm going to say that sea turtles are different than other turtles because those turtles can hide, but they're slow. Sea turtles cannot hide, but they're fast. I'm going to say that turtles breathe air. That's how they're alike, and they eat fish and plants. Some sea turtles are very big, and some sea turtles are smaller. I think the small ones are 100 pounds, the big ones are 1,000. I did remember that. And then sea turtles lay eggs in the sand, right? And then the babies hatch out and they lay like 100 eggs. Boys and girls, did you see how I used my fingers to try and remember those things I was going to retell? All right, that's your challenge today. So remember, take a book that you read carefully. You might have to go back and reread it today. Think about the 5 things that you want to tell your partner, and then practice those on your fingers. And then see if you can go back and retell those to your partner. And if you have to go through the book and kind of go through the pages in order to help you remember, you can do that. All right, boys and girls, that's going to really grow you as a strong reader. Good luck today with your retells.